Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 94. In the last video we saw HashMap. In this video we are going to discuss about linked HashMap. This linked HashMap class introduced in a 1.4 version. Linked HashMap is a child class of HashMap. It follows insertion order. This class is the same like a HashMap. Only change here, this follow insertion order, and HashMap don't follow any insertion order. It can hold a key and value as a heterogeneous element. We can store key value as a heterogeneous also. Except tree map, everywhere in a map it can store, we can use a heterogeneous data type except a tree map, because a tree map required a comparison, and if same data type then only comparison possible. Okay, here you can see example. Here we simply create an object and we put data. Okay, let's open Eclipse and I'll simply create here one class and I'll give this class name. Okay, let's create here class part 94, and here we create a main method. Let's add here main method. Inside a main method I'll simply create a map. Okay, map, and here this time we will create a heterogeneous map equal to new linked hash map. Okay, here also we have to remove this because here we are not following type safety. Okay, put, here all same method. Here we got all same method that present inside a hash map, because this linked hash map is a child class of hash map. Okay, here we simply put, and this time we use a one integer 1 and 1 both. Then put, here we pass, here we pass a string, and here we also pass a string. Okay, here we don't pass any data type. Okay, that's why we can pass, this one is a heterogeneous, we can pass any data type. Here first we pass an integer, then we pass here string. Okay, there is no matter. And let's put here m dot put, and here we pass one more record, and we need to check is it following insertion order or not. Okay, let's add here, and let's add one null. Okay, null value. Okay, let's put, and null key and value will give any nn. Okay, let's save, and I'll simply run this. Let's check 𝑠𝒂𝒏. Let's check what output here we get. Here you can see first print one first key, then second key, then third key value, then fourth key. Okay, this linked hash map follow insertion order, and hash map don't follow insertion order. There is the only difference, and few more difference. Linked hash map means linking two node linked each other, and that's why it's faster than if you have a frequent operation update and all these things, then it's better. Linked hash map is a better. Okay, let's check how many constructor provide this linked hash map. Here you can see, here we have a total 5 constructor. First one is a default constructor, then second here we pass the initial capacity, then third here we pass the any other map object, and then fourth one here we pass the initial capacity and load factor, and last one here we pass the initial capacity, load factor, and access order. Okay, let's check what inside this map hash map class. Okay, I'll simply open a declaration, and here you can see, here also have a same initial capacity 16 and load factor is a 0.75. Here you can see, here all this method, here you can see this little bit icon, this little bit arrow, that means this all method came from parent class. Okay, here you can see few method, those present only inside a child class. This link node list. Okay, all this thing here inside of this linked hash map, you can see this all method. You can check one by one if you want. Then this head, set, tail, set, this method also available inside this linked hash map. Okay, here we understand what is a linked hash map and what difference between hash map and linked hash map. There is only one difference. Hash map don't follow any insertion order, but linked hash map follow insertion order. insertion order means in what order we insert, only that order we get a data. Okay, you can see here 1A to null, here key 1A to null. Okay, in this video that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.